Hi all, Namaskar and Namaste, how are you all? Welcome back to my new video. Creating a YouTube channel is easy and straightforward. Here are the steps to follow. Sign in or create a Google account. If you already have a Google account, sign in. Otherwise, create a new account. Create your YouTube channel. Once you have signed into your Google account, go to YouTube and click on the Create a Channel link. Follow the prompts to choose your channel name, add a profile picture and cover image, and fill out your channel description. Customize your channel. Once your channel is created, you can customize it by adding channel art, creating playlists, and organizing your videos. Create and upload videos. Now that your channel is set up, start creating and uploading videos. Make sure to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to make them more discoverable. Build an audience. Promote your channel on social media and other online platforms to build your audience. Encourage your viewer to subscribe, like, and share your videos. Before move to next step, please like and subscribe to channel for more interesting videos and share with your friends and family members. Now, let's talk about how to earn money from your YouTube channel. Join the YouTube Partner Program. To be eligible for monetization, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. To join YPP, your channel needs to meet certain requirements, such as having at least 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Enable monetization. Once you are approved for YPP, you can enable monetization on your videos by turning on ads. Ad formats. YouTube offers several ad formats, including pre-roll ads, mid-roll ads, and display ads. The revenue you earn from ads depends on factors such as the number of views, the ad format, and the advertiser's bid. Other revenue streams. In addition to ads, you can earn money from sponsorships, merchandise sales, and fan funding. Follow the guidelines. To maintain your eligibility for monetization, you need to follow YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Violating these guidelines can result in demonetization or even the suspension of your channel. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Consistently creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience is key to growing your channel and earning money from it. Thank you for my videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Love you all.